What happened to Auto Rebuild's garage? Today, we are rebuilding a snowmobile. Before we start working on the sled, I'm gonna talk about Auto Rebuilds. We've been gone for almost 4 years. So I was thinking, you know what? It is time to bring back Auto Rebuild's garage. But it's not gonna be called Auto Rebuild's garage for a while. Let me know what you guys think I should name this. And just because it's not gonna be only Auto Rebuilds or only builds. So if you're not into all that, it's probably a good time to unfollow, unsubscribe, because it's not gonna be for you. But for those who love it, I'm gonna try to come out with the best content possible for this channel. Got my wife recording me right now. It's gonna be just us. This video, I'm not gonna be talking the whole time. We're gonna get to rebuilding this thing. I've had this thing already for about a year or two. I wrecked it, and here's the video. I'm gonna play it pretty much on just regular snow. It bent the back rails and broke the wheels. All of that came apart, and these are aftermarket rails, aftermarket wheels, supposed to be holding up really well, but they did not. Pretty much totaled because the front of this thing also got wrecked. So yeah, we're gonna be rebuilding this thing. Hopefully still have enough time to get back onto the snow. Heavy duty, but holds up to 40 pounds. I guess we got no other choice. We'll see. Now, I could get underneath this thing. And this is the new stuff. Look how good this looks. Oh yeah. I also bought this thing wrecked from a buddy that totaled it. So it's already been totaled before me, but when it comes to totaling these things, it doesn't take much to total. So when this thing totaled, it wasn't like smashed and like all this stuff. It's just the insurance looks at like this right here would have been a total, you know? So a couple damages in the front, it's a total. So it's not that it was completely wrecked. So for now, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming back.